Dagkon, Pangasinan.
Masantos si Agu, si kayo. Laimbag nga adaw, kadakayo amin. Ako si Maureen Christa Wroblewitz. Join me as I revisit and rediscover my beloved province and my home, Pangasinan.
Maureen Christa Pojas Wroblewitz, born June 22, 1998 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, 23 years old, 5'6" tall, is a Filipino-German actress and a model, best known for winning the 5th season of Asia's Next Top Model Season 5. She is third of 4 daughters of a Filipino mother and a German father. Maureen ventured into the beauty pageant industry by representing Pangasinan in the Miss Universe Philippines 2021 pageant. She has all the qualities of a winning Filipinas universe such as beauty, bearing, charisma, and most especially brains.